Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Shoo! Today's gonna be pretty exciting. We're gonna be doing some more stuff to the BMW today. Looks like we're gonna be doing the wheels and calipers. So yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna go to the store right now and pick up the paint and then come back and I'll show you guys how I do it. This is how she's sitting today. We're gonna get rid of that, change the color on it. So we're gonna be going with this color. Same color as that. Should be like a teal. So yeah. Oh, we got our my boy riding with us, my cousin.
What's up?
That's good. All right, let's get into this. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be using. Gotta get the wheel off. Oh, and a jack, some tape, some plastic bags I don't have right here. I'll get them, and the caliper color and the actual paint for the wheels. Real simple, real easy, really fast, budget build. Like I said, it's gonna be dope. It's gonna look good. Cousin's cleaning up the area right now. About to jack the car up and get it going. Okay, so what you're gonna do, I already broke all these loose. Right here, you're just gonna loosen them up. Pretty common sense. Take them out. Just like that. So I got them up here on the table, and we're gonna pop the center caps out and just clean them up. Then after that, we'll prep them a little bit, and we'll just start applying the paint to them. Again, real simple. It doesn't need to be perfect. Well, at least I'm not worried about it, because rims are in the future. So. All right, yeah. So what I like to do after I've already sprayed and prepped the surface, I like to go ahead and get little index cards. And you just place them around, so that way you can paint without getting it on the tire. I mean, a little bit on the tire is not too bad since we're going with gloss black, but if you're doing any other color, this is extremely important. So yeah. Okay, so now that that's done, and like I said, everything's prepped, I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna go ahead and take the can, I'm gonna shake it really well. And then I'm going to start just applying some light coats. And you just want to do a real light coat and then let it sit. And then I'll probably attach my heat gun and just heat at the surface and then keep doing that. So just keep following along. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the caliper. So I got some brake cleaner. Just spray that on there. Like that. Pretty much dries itself off. It helps with any little debris. And I'll just wipe it up. Doesn't need to be like super perfect unless you're a perfectionist. But I'm not, so. And you take a bag, and what I do is I cut it right down the middle. That. I'm going to cover this up, tuck it like this, and it sits like that. And then what I do is I get some painter's tape and I just tape it to where it's not touching on the caliper. Put it down. Okay, so just like that, it's taped on. Doesn't need to be super perfect, just enough to where it's not, you know, hitting the caliper. And then, you know, we're gonna go ahead and do that to the back, same way, and then I'll start painting it. Okay, and just like that, brake cleaner. Let it dry up a little bit, get any light dust debris off. Shouldn't be too much. Okay, and then let me put that down and let me go grab a bag real quick. Take the bag and you cut it right down the middle. Like 10-cent Walmart bag. Getting it tucked and around so that way you can get all the points of the caliper painted. So, like that. And then you're just going to get some tape just to make sure it doesn't move. I mean, some people go as far as taping everything else off, but I mean, I've done this quite a few times and it really doesn't really matter. It doesn't really get on everything. And some people go as far as removing the whole caliper and saying that this is wrong and this and that. I don't really care. Done this on hundreds of cars. If you know me, that's actually true. And never really had any issues with it. So there you go, it's taped off, good enough. Now we paint. Okay, so here's the paint. Just gonna start spraying it. Light coats. I just kind of like do this. You just want to get it, the paint will stick to itself, so you just want to get it to tack down pretty much. So once it's just like that, just enough where it's covered the surface, let it dry a little bit, you know, and then we come to the back one right now. Same thing over here, dude. Same thing, just tack it on. Just kidding. Okay, yeah, so basically as you're going, you just, like I said, you just keep I don't hold it consistent, just little spurts till you've covered the whole area. You don't want to do too much because you don't want it to drip, but just like that. We're gonna let it sit and dry. Come back to the front. That's pretty much it. Let them sit, let them dry. Once they pretty much dry, you know, you can do as many coats as you like and, you know, go from there. I'll probably let it dry a little bit, do one more coat over that, and then go check on the wheels, and then we'll slap them back on and do the other side. Okay, so just like that, it's already dry. Use the heat gun a little bit, and so I'm going to be pulling this off right now. I'm happy with the way this came out right there, so just boom, pull it off. Boom, just like that, caliber painted. You know, it'll work for now. Right here, boom, pull it off. Right there, pull it off. Oh, caliper painted. So now, and the wheels are pretty much dried up. We're gonna throw those back on right now too. And those came out really well. Right here, the wheels came out super freaking good. Looks like they were powder coated. No bubbles, nothing. So all I'm gonna do now is just pull the little things off around them, put the cap back on, and put them back on. So I'll show you when it's all done. And that's what it looks like together. I'll show you the whole car once it's done. Let me just knock the other side out real quick, but God, it looks good. Big difference. When it looks stock, this is stock, you know, versus what it looks like now. Definitely looks way, way better. I'm happy. So yeah, check it out. Whew. Way better. Way better. It's already coming together. What is this? A couple days in. Heck yeah. Couple bucks, budget build. It's crazy. A little bit of sweat goes a long way. Hell yeah. So yeah, I'm overall very, very happy with the results on this one. The wheels came out perfect. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. There's no bubbling, nothing like that. And the caliper paint matches perfect with the stickers. So, you know, overall, I'm pretty happy. Definitely sweaty like I've been in the last few videos. You know, losing weight out here, trying to bring you guys content. So, but it's coming together. I'm very, very happy with the results so far. Like I said, we're still gonna do tint, chrome delete, you know, lights, bumpers, suspension, the exhaust, tuning, you know, there's just handful amounts of things that we're going to be getting into and be showing you guys how you guys can do it and how affordable it is. And you know, if you're interested in these kind of cars or into getting into some type of a car in the car scene, you know what I mean, speaks for itself. But ultimately, I'm very happy with just a couple days and a couple dollars. Should make a shirt that says that, couple days, couple dollars. Yeah, 335 looking good. Gonna leave it here, let the wheels dry up a little bit more. I mean, they're pretty much ready to go, but it's hot as hell. I'll let it sit out here in the sun. I'll come pick it back up tonight. So yeah, stay tuned though. We got a ton more videos, and I do mean a ton. And yeah, so thank you guys for following along. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this shit, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So let's go. Oh yeah, PS, let's check it out. Look, ISF. Sheesh. ISF. Ooh, and my AMG CLS 63. Ooh, dirty. Ooh, and B's sexy F10. Oh, murdered out tint tool. Oh yeah, and the work truck. You guys all see my Ranger. So yeah, all the cars are still around, so just got a lot of videos I gotta make for you guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one.